great to have you all back on board again, and all my new subscribers and everybody. Welcome. Yeah, wow, what a turn in the weather, hasn't it been? Oof, yeah. Anybody think it was winter? Poor old Leicester are getting flooded out. The rest of the country's under a couple of inches of snow. Yeah, not good, is it? So I'm picking my way across. Me and Lancelot, we're picking our way across right now, towards Blackburn Way, over that way. Yeah, a place called Rivington Barn. You might have heard of it before. It's warm in here. It's quite a popular sort of destination for van lifers. There's quite a few get over there. I've been many times on the bike. It's a good bike meet, but I've never really paid any attention to where the camper vans and all that sort of thing go. So we'll get over there, find out a nice little park up, I'm sure. Have a spook about, see what's going on. And yeah, basically we'll just take it from there. Sun's out at the moment, it's beautiful. Still bits of bobs of snow and ice around, but beautiful blue sky here in Englandshire. Yeah, I'm out of Wales now, so I'm going to bugger off, and I will catch up with you. I'll catch up with you lot a bit further down the road, probably when I get there. Lovely to have you all back on board again, you beautiful lot. Let's rock and roll. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Look at that sun beating through the window. Woo, yeah, that's what I'm talking. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. And that is the view. Just stepped outside old Lancelot for a few minutes, just having a quick cup of soup. Bit of cheese and broccoli cup of soup. Here Lancelot, sat up on chocks, Manchester van life behind me. All in all, good park up. It's on a slight hill, so we had to put the old shocks underneath it, but not bad at all. And I've got to say, this soup isn't bad at all as well. Yeah, Baxter's, cheese and broccoli. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, just warms you up a bit more than coffee. Anyway, moving along, I'm going to finish my soup, get some of the bits of bobs sorted out in the van, and I will catch up with you in a bit. Chin chin. Yeah, that's it. Then we're going to go and have a little, old Lancelot's there, going to have a little stroll. Yeah, I've got you up on a stick as well, so you haven't got to be quite as close to me face. Yeah, beautiful day for it. My app's got a bit of a strange thing going on, hasn't it? What's going on with that? Don't know. Pull it down a bit more. Pull it over my eyes, A big hall up here. I would imagine that's Rivington Hall. I'll show you. There it is up there. Lovely. An impressive building, isn't it? What do you reckon of that then, eh? Now you're on a stick. Yeah, I've had this tripod in the van for quite a while, but I always forget to bring it out. But yeah, look at that! What a beautiful morning. Well, what a beautiful day! What a beautiful day for a walk. Yeah. Rivington Pike, Rivington Terraced Gardens. It's a bit on the nippy side out here today, I've got to say. Whoa. Nice to stretch the old legs though, isn't it? Eh? How nice is that? I can feel the urge for something to eat. I'm getting peckish. Getting a bit peckish now. This is what I miss, having a little dog now. You know, well, not the only time I miss having my little dog. Yeah. Good company. Beautiful company dogs, aren't they? There we go. Oh, Lancelot. Right, that's enough of that. All that malarkey, all that walking around malarkey. I'm going to truck in now and yeah, get a bite to eat and warm up. Ooh, very embracing, very nice. Well, that's not a bad view to finish the night off, is it? That's beautiful. Might get to see a few deer as well, you never know. Right, I'll catch you beautiful lot in the morning. Yep, and there we go again. Perfect. Just what you need. Hey, look at that. Good morning. Yes, here we are again. Happy as can be. Tra-li-la-li-la. Yeah, a bit chilly this morning, so thought I'd put the diesel heater on. No, it's that classic code E-8, which everybody goes, oh, what's E-8? Is it a fuel shortage? Is it power? Is it this? Is it that? Well, no, I think it's my combustion chamber. Oh, missus. I think we've got a bit of a blocked up combustion chamber. So I've got the kettle is, yeah, normally I'd use my little electric kettle now, but I'm trying to warm the van up a bit, so I put the gas kettle on. Kettle is running away nicely there. I'm going to have a nice brew. I do carry spare parts, so I've got a spare combustion chamber. Yeah, looks like I'm going under the van. Ah, yeah, joy of joy. But on the plus side, look at that. Yay, it's not raining. It's a little frosty, but it's alright. So that'll keep me entertained for the day, won't it? I haven't even made me bed yet. Shocking behaviour, shocking. Right, I'm going to make me bed, have a brew, put you a lot on a tripod, and watch the fun unfold. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, I'm kind of one of those people that, you know, if I've got to get a job done, like something like that, I've just got to get on it. So, yeah, I've made me coffee. I'm not even going to stop. I'm going to, we're going to get stuck right into this, and, yeah, strip a diesel heater down. Let's do it. I'll have no van left shortly. I'll have it in a million pieces. Right, I'll just unscrew. Just unscrew this. I can't even remember how I built my own van. Right, there's only one thing left to do, and that's crank it up, baby, and see what happens, eh? Yeah. Well, fingers crossed, eh? I'll bring you back in a few minutes when it's warmed up. Well, let's see if it's warmed up, eh? Let's see how we go. Look at me hat. Look at the state of me hat. Yeah, she's firing on all fours now, so that's the thing about that E-8 code. Basically, it's just saying it should just come up and say your diesel heater's not working, because E-8 can mean glow plug, lack of fuel, lack of power, it can mean all sorts of things. Combustion chamber. So we're going to try and show you this a bit better. So I'm gonna, I've got me monkey torch. Let's get this. How's this work? Right, if I can try and just trying to... Awkward, but I think you can get the gist of that, can't you? You can see how bad it looks down there. Yeah, and then... Ooh. Yeah, and that's the old gasket. Yeah, if you're gonna do it, yeah, see it's all corroded on that. See that? Yeah. Not worth taking any chances, you know, fumes and all the rest of it. Yeah, that's about the size of it, so should be warm a bit later. I wonder sometimes with these diesel heaters, you know, I think running them low, like on 1, I don't think it's great for them. I've been running mine for a while now on 1, and I turn it up to 3 when I turn it off. I've had this problem before, where dirty combustion chamber clogged up, and I did run it on 1 then, but I cleaned the combustion chamber, this time put a new one in. For loads of people run them on 1. I know Pete, I don't think it's very rarely will come off 1. He starts it on low and keeps it there. So maybe I just had a bit of a dicky chamber. Dicky chamber. Oh, missus, that doesn't sound good. But we'll see how it goes anyway. Most important thing is it's running. And yeah, killed half an hour, didn't it? Right, I'm putting the kettle on and gonna try and dry my mat out now because it's, yeah, covered in mud. And I'll catch you cats in a bit. Mission accomplished. Yeah, that's it. Diesel heater is repaired. Thank goodness it wasn't lashing it down, or it didn't break down like of a night time. And then anyway, jobs are good, and so should be nice and warm later on. Yeah, I'm out of here now. Yeah, Brian and Sheila very kindly asked me, Manchester Van Life, they said, oh, do you want to come and join us at another little park-up? It's up a mountain, of course, you know what I mean? It's overlooking Bolton, up a good height. Yeah, so this is the perfect weather to get up into the snow, isn't it? So that's where I'm heading off to now. Yeah, that'll be on to the next vlog, I think, yeah. Just waffled enough on this one. So at that note, I will bid you all farewell. Thank you all so much for watching. I'd much appreciating and subscribing, and you know, yeah, you keep doing that. I'll keep knocking these out. So you've only got yourselves to blame. Anyway, yeah, I jest, but yeah, it is much appreciated. So I'll catch up with you next week. All going well. May God's be with you. You take care. Have a good week. Adios, amigos. Bye for now. Bye-bye.